Hi there, my lovelies. Well, this week I'm going to do something different because it's Christmas. I'm going to make some syrup, swim, vodka. Gonna make jelly bean syrup and a coffee. I'll call it syrup. Yes, that was decaf, I'm afraid. That's the way it's going these days. So, without ado, what I'm going to do is grind some beans up. On the grinder, we're going to put it into the cafetiere, about 350 ml. Let that cool down. That's just nice and strong. Add the vodka into the culinary jars, obviously. And then we've got some beautiful Jellybeans. Fortunately, I've started them. Both of these lovely products are from Lidl because it's the crunch time, isn't it? For money. You have to do the cheap versions. So thanks, Lidl. So, without doing it, I'm going to put the kettle on. Excuse me, I should have done that first, don't I? While the kettle's boiling, you'll be really adventurous. What we're going to put the jelly babies into the culinary jar. I'm going to measure out about 350 ml. Basically, just to cover them. They're going to sit there for about 3 weeks. Basically, it's going to be half a bottle of vodka. I'm sorry, but I've lost my jug that tells you how much there is. Well, I'm going to say that's about halfway. And then, just for the people there, look at that. I did thought there'd be a lot more, but I think this is a bit too big, to be honest. So it looks a bit lost. But it smells nice. So that's the whole packet got in. And we'll leave that, hopefully, for about 10 days. And that should taste sweetness for New Year's Eve. Right. Gonna weigh up some coffee beans and get that ground up. Bear with me. Well, sorry about that. Some technical issues. Basically, this phone ran out of juice, so we can't do that. Right, so I've weighed. As you can see now, look. There's 50 grams of coffee there. I'll put hot water into there. I'm going to put it into here, actually. Put it into here. The cafetiere. 350 ml into there. Let it steep. Mix with a vodka. We will have beautiful, beautiful coffee liqueur. Thank you. Yeah, so that's boils. That's the right word, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to steep the grinds. Oil Twizzler here. Now we love it. Oh, it's quite thick. I think I should have got the bigger cafetiere for this. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's going to go up to the line. Which is 500 ml, but it's got all the beans, so it should get about 450 litre. I'm hoping there's about 400 in there. Will it be in a 750 ml? Yeah, I'm not sure if my maths is right there, but we'll see. Right. Leave that for a few minutes, and we'll come back to it. Put the top on, Although we don't really need it today. Catch you later, guys. Right then, back we are here. The coffee has been steeping all this time. Should be nice and strong. Still a little bit warm, but I think we'll be alright. Let's open my new Kinder jar. Plunge the coffee in the cafetiere. Oops. A bit of spillage there. Not my preferable way of drinking coffee, to be fair. But it does do a good job. And there's so much coffee in there. Okay. I'll pour it into the jar. Here. Just gotta get my hands right. Here we go. We all know what coffee looks like when it's being poured, don't we? Yeah. There's quite a bit in there, actually. Vodka. I don't know if anybody's know this, but this looks like Grey Goose. All the way from France. Ooh. It has been triple filtered, apparently. Still 40%. Here we go. So while I'm making this is because I've been having cocktails lately that are coffee infused. So like tiramisu. Bloody hell, those bloody dogs. You see that? If only you could smell it. Right. So leave that for a week as well. So I think this is going to be for Christmas drinks. For about a week's time. And this, as we can do here, is going to be so zero pillar. Alright then. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Well, hi my lovelies. As you saw earlier, here is my vodka, and here is the beautiful Jellybeans vodka syrup. So we're going to try them today. It's coming up to that time of year when we're to do these special things. We've got some special glasses. I've got the cocktail shaker. I've got some stuff to put on top of the coffee liqueur. I'm going to try it just with ice to start with, but then I've got this stuff, basically Posh Baileys, that comes from Lidl. So without further ado, let's start with the Jellybeans, which I've just got to get. Hold on. Here they are. And I've splashed out, I bought the pop ones. So, here we go. Let's try this. Oh, that's glaring into it, that light. Let's just turn it off. Sorry about that, it's still rubbish. So, does everybody have a favourite? To be honest, I like the red ones, but I'm not too bothered. So for this beautiful cocktail, it's dead easy, look. One jelly bean in there. I'm going to call that red. This is it here. Oh, this is bloody lovely. I ain't gonna lie. Look, this is going to be a little trial. Okay. I tried this the other day. It was bloody nice. Now then, I don't know if you can see. As you would have thought, it's like sugar and vodka, as you can imagine. I've got the red one. Let's just try it, shall we? Oh, it just smells vodka though. It has the consistency of cough medicine, but unlike cough medicine, you drink it and you know it's going to make you better, and this will make you better. So let's do it. That's a lot of vodka for a start. But sweet's making nice. But I reckon add that with a bit of prosecco. Lovely. Well done. Coffee next with the shaker. So I've never used it before. Let's see how we get on. Bit of a strainer. I'll have a measurer. Okay. So the next thing I haven't got is the ice. Back in a minute. Was that Squeaky Superman? Probably was. Right, let's get some ice in here. Let's pretend that I'm doing. Gotta get like that much in. Bash it. I don't think that's very much difference to be fair. Okay, sorry there's a bit of interlude there. Had problem with storage. Okay, boring I know. So we've got the ice, we have the coffee, we have the measurer. What I'm going to do is one part this, beautiful, beautiful Bailey stuff, which I'll do now actually. This will be my tiramisu cocktail. Oh, that smells nice actually. That smells better than Bailey's, I've got to say. Belgian chocolate apparently. Oh, this just smells like alcohol coffee, which is what it is. Woo! I will be putting these into bottles so it looks a lot better. Ah! Okay, I've just discovered these are two things. Okay, that makes sense actually. I've now got a stopper. That's good. Anyway, that's that done. As we are all excited to see what is this going to be like? Apparently, there's lots of shaking because we want foam, so it separates. You'll see it separated. You may or may not know, I am not a cocktail drinker, so this will be quite interesting. Are we ready? Looking good. Okay, I have to practice my portions, obviously. I'm hoping that's going to separate. It's sort of starting to, but in the meantime, we got salted caramel, hot chocolate, because I got anything else. It's starting to separate, can you see it there? And then, let's go put 3 coffee beans on it, just to make it look good, don't I? Also, sorry about the industrial size sieve, I ain't got a little one. I definitely need a sieve. Can you see the mess? It's rubbish. Right, just gonna get some coffee beans. Wait a minute. I think there's some sort of code about how many coffee beans to put on, but I'm gonna put 3 because that seems to be universally accepted. Oh, what a good sign. My foam is holding up. It's number 2. Oh, the nice little bounce. A nice little bounce. Right, I'm going to give that a couple of minutes to see if it settles any better. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. I don't know if you can see, but it has separated a little bit. And we do have 3 beans on there, which you can't see. So, does this taste like tiramisu in a glass? Which is what everybody wants this time of year. Wish me luck. I've had better, but then again, I've had with a spoon tiramisu. To be honest, I think it needs a bit more of this. But the coffee comes through, the sweetness of the topping is lovely, and the beans are still on top. I know you can't see it, you just have to believe me. Just got another glass, obviously, yeah. Remember, I'm only drinking this because of you. Nice. Just needs a bit of refining, which I'm quite happy to do. Just means I have to taste lots and lots more. So what I will say is, thank you very much for watching this. It's been a pleasure. I hope you have a great time this time of year. If you want to watch my old videos up here, much appreciated. That's all. Love you always. Bye.